Struggling with indices? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand all the basic laws and solve questions easily. Welcome to SHS Maths Simplified, where we make maths easy. Let's get started. Indices are just powers or exponents. For example, 2 means 2 times 2 equals 8. First law, a times n equals an. For example, 2 times 2 equals 32. Second law, a divided by n equals n. For example, 2 equals 8. Third law, n equals an. For example, 2 cubed equals 2 equals 64. Fourth law, n equals 1. For example, 2 equals 1/4. Fifth law, equals 1. For example, 5 equals 1. Be aware of a common mistake. Don't do this. 2 plus 2 does not equal to a. Addition is different, only multiply when applying laws. Practice these and you'll master indices easily. Subscribe for more simple maths lessons.